Let's analyze together Maxeon Solar Technologies. What's happening?
Let's go. Welcome to Trading HT. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Very interesting stock. We have some news right here. Maybe you have heard about it. Let us know in the comments below. First, we have the debt conversion thing that Maxeon announced plans to convert $200 million of existing debt into share at a weighted average cost of $0.45 per share. This is according to some data that we found in social media such as Reddit. Then we have the equity investment. They are receiving $100 million equity investment from TCL Song One. I don't know if it's pronounced like that. An existing investor, which will increase TCL's stake in the company to about 23%. So they already have part in this company. And then the last and most important thing, in our opinion, the proposed reverse stock split. They have proposed apparently a stock 100-to-1 reverse stock split, which will be voted on the upcoming annual general meeting scheduled for August 29th, 2024. So at the end of this month. And we also have the earnings and revenue apparently being released very, very soon. So a lot of things around this stock. As you saw in the past, crazy movements. Will they happen again? Which direction? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Trading HT and let's continue with Maxeon.
Join the conversation, guys. We read your comments right here in the description of YouTube, and I gotta tell you guys what's gonna happen right here. The number one and number three piece of news that we are watching right here in the screen. These are very dangerous moments, guys, because we analyze many stocks that suffered exactly that. The reverse stock split, 100-to-1 reverse stock split, that's huge, and normally that creates a lot of volatility. And the first one, the debt conversion, that creates a lot of dilution, capital dilution, which means the stock normally goes down when they do that. So very dangerous situation. But then on the contrary, we have Maxeon more than 100% just a couple of days ago. So this is insane. What's happening?
Let's go with the price action. Let us know what do you think about those news in the comments below, your opinion about it, and if you know more about them. We have this movement, as Alvaro mentioned, 100% to the upside, very similar to the one in Holostock that we analyzed yesterday. If you didn't check the video after this, go ahead and check it, because this movement, it's completely the same. I would say the difference is like the fundamentals and things like that, but the percentage is almost very similar. And the thing is, like, the correction also happened. Right now, we are in a minus 26% from those levels. We will see how it ends today. Right now, plus 7% to the upside. Very interesting movement also. We will see, because this is a very key moment in our opinion from the technical analysis that we had right here. You can clearly see this green circle. A lot of things are being confluenced around this point, because we had the support or resistance area of 0.18 that acted in the past. You can see as a support area and as a resistance level being also retested right here. Then we have the breakout of this level of 0.14 or 0.15, very, very clear, and also the rejection that happened there, I mean the retest. And then we have this huge resistance level that comes down from May 2024 until today. And if they break that level and the consequent ones, wow, that could mean another upside, as this one, but even to higher levels. So both scenarios completely possible as usual. Let us know in the comments which side do you see more, up or down, or maybe a different one. Let us know below.
And we have the earnings today. We have an estimate of minus 1.10. If we compare this data with the previous earnings, in the previous earnings, we were talking about like a minus 1.58. So, and the reporting was minus 1.59. And then afterwards, look at what happened. It's like it started to go down like crazy. And since then, it has been like the stock is in minus 96%. So obviously, the situation with Maxeon is difficult, and we all know that. We need to pay attention, to the risks that we're taking right here. We have a high level of debt. Actually, we go here to financials and we check the debt. You can clearly see right here that the debt is way too high in comparison to the free cash flow, which is negative. So when you have all this data right here, it doesn't look good, for the long term. I mean, for the short term, you can experience like upside trends that we are watching, like this one. But then for the long term, it's gonna be difficult to see like holding and going even, more up. It's difficult to see the stock going to $1 at this point.
Yeah, guys, so what do you think? And do you think like the reverse stock split situation will go on? And if it does, how will it affect the stock? Very interesting. Let's go to the 15-minute chart to see with more detail the latest price action in the intraday chart, something that we always love to share with you. And we can clearly see the breakout right here of this white line that was the smallest, the lower time frame resistance area, then trying to break out this higher resistance area right there. False breakout 2 times they tried. This third one has been almost a perfect retest, and this resistance acted as a support. So we have a very clear pattern that this level was broken out very clearly. This one right here wasn't, and now the price is trying to maybe break this level or revisit again this one to see if it acts again as a support area, or if it gets broken and we visit lower levels again. So what do you think, guys? Do you have in mind a different technical analysis, different fundamental opinion? Let us know in the comments below, because we are very happy to read all your comments, and in the next video we will read all of them.
Exactly, guys. Let's take a look at the forecast of Maxeon. We have like a 1 year price target from 5 analysts from Wall Street. And what we can tell you guys is like we have an average of more than 364%, which is surprising, like all they are expecting the stock going up according to the EPS. Because if we pay attention to the EPS, obviously it doesn't look so bearish. We're talking about like we have to hold a little bit. And if we reach these numbers, if we get the EPS in minus 0.60 in 2026, obviously the situation will be better. But guys, remember when we have in a stock that is in negative numbers, even negative EPS, it's difficult to see the stocks experiencing like a huge rebound. Normally that happens when we are in positive territory in the EPS.
Yeah, it's interesting, to see these 5 analyst forecasts. Do you guys agree with them, or do you have a different opinion? It would be interesting to have more, in other stocks, such as Nvidia. We have more than 50 analysts. For this type of stocks that have a smaller market cap and don't have, like the same name, we could say the analysts that offer this forecast are less. But we have 5. They are bullish. You can see right there with an average of 364%, completely insane right there. But also the analyst rating is sell, based on 6 analysts giving the stock rating. So we have both sides, both perspectives. We have all the news from the fundamental telling us that the situation is critical right now, a lot of hype around it also. Then we have the technical analysis that we could see some breakups to the upside, but various resistances acting in the higher part. So both scenarios completely possible. Critical moment right now. Key takeaways from this video. Let us know in the comments below everything you want to share with us. Remember to subscribe to Trading HD. Check our other videos. We really appreciate it, and have a nice week.
Bye bye.